Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. In today's lesson we'll see the concept of big data. What is big data? Big data is the term for a collection of data sets so large and complex that it becomes difficult to process using on-hand database management tools or traditional data processing applications. In this context, a large dataset means a dataset too large to reasonably process or store with traditional tooling or on a single computer. This means that the common scale of big datasets is constantly shifting and may vary significantly from organization to organization. Big data is characterized by 3V and more. 1. Volume, large amounts of data, zettabytes/massive datasets. 2. Velocity, data is live streaming or in motion. 3. Variety, data comes in many different forms from diverse sources. 4. Veracity, can we trust the data? How accurate is it? Etc. The next topic is clustered computing and Hadoop ecosystem. What is clustered computing? Because of the qualities of big data, individual computers are often inadequate for handling the data at most stages. To better address the high storage and computational needs of big data, computer clusters are a better fit. Big data clustering software combines the resources of many smaller machines, seeking to provide a number of benefits such as 1. Resource pooling. Combining the available storage space to hold data is a clear benefit, but CPU and memory pooling are also extremely important. Processing large datasets requires large amounts of all three of these resources. 2. High availability. Clusters can provide varying levels of fault tolerance and availability. Guarantees to prevent hardware or software failures from affecting access to data and processing. This becomes increasingly important as we continue to emphasize the importance of real-time analytics. 3. Easy scalability. Clusters make it easy to scale horizontally by adding additional machines to the group. This means the system can react to changes in resource requirements without expanding the physical resources on a machine. Using clusters requires a solution for managing cluster membership, coordinating resource sharing, and scheduling actual work on individual nodes. Cluster membership and resource allocation can be handled by software like Hadoop's YRN, which stands for yet another resource negotiator. The next topic is Hadoop and its ecosystem. What is Hadoop? Hadoop is an open-source framework intended to make interaction with big data easier. It is a framework that allows for the distributed processing of large datasets across clusters of computers using simple programming models. The 4 key characteristics of Hadoop are: 1. Economical. Its systems are highly economical as ordinary computers can be used for data processing. 2. Reliable. It is reliable as it stores copies of the data on different machines and is resistant to hardware failure. 3. Scalable. It is easily scalable both horizontally and vertically. A few extra nodes help in scaling up the framework. 4. Flexible. It is flexible and you can store as much structured and unstructured data as you need to and decide to use them later. What are the 4 big data life cycle with Hadoop? These are: 1. Ingesting data into the system. The first stage of big data processing is ingest. The data is ingested or transferred to Hadoop from various sources such as relational databases, systems, or local files. Scoop transfers data from RDBMS to HDFS, whereas Flume transfers event data. 2. Processing the data in storage. The second stage is processing. In this stage, the data is stored and processed. The data is stored in the distributed file system, HDFS, and the NoSQL distributed data, HBase. Spark and MapReduce perform data processing. 3. Computing and analyzing data. The third stage is to analyze. Here, the data is analyzed by processing frameworks such as Pig, Hive, and Impala. Pig converts the data using a map and reduce and then analyzes it. Hive is also based on the map and reduce programming and is most suitable for structured data for visualizing the results. The fourth stage is access, which is performed by tools such as Hue and Cloudera Search. In this stage, the analyzed data can be accessed by users